Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Tricky. Beatrice Fairchild, aka Tricky, is a skilled skateboarder and one of the subway surfers, a fact cleverly concealed from her parents. She is enrolled in the elite Boschkin Ballet School, but secretly yearns to be a street dancer. As an only child, Tricky is the sole heir to a family fortune, but money is not a priority for her. Her mother, Mrs. Fairchild, has entrusted the family heirloom, the Fairchild Moon, to her daughter, which presents a unique opportunity for acquisition. Assessment. High interest. Monitor closely. Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. King. Maurice Kingo Erickson, aka King, is not a member of the Subway Surfers, but is frequently, if not unwelcomely, in their presence. An only child to eccentric parents, King is homeschooled and appears to have limited social skills. Police records show unconfirmed reports of unidentified flying objects around the Erickson home, which could explain the boy's odd demeanor and questionable fashion sense. No evidence exists these reports are tied to the Infinity technology. Assessment. Low interest. Monitor as needed. Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Utani. While not a skateboarder, Utani is nonetheless an integral part of the Subway Surfers. Adopted by Molly Rodman as an infant, none of her birth records are available for reasons unknown. She has genius-level intelligence as evidenced by her impressive accomplishments at such a young age. Self-educated, youngest member of the Young Entrepreneurs Club, and holder of 3 software patents. Utani may have exposed the recently recovered Infinity turbine to her weekly live stream show. Assessment. Extreme interest. Monitor continuously. Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Fresh. Fresh is a member of the Subway Surfers and seems to be the peacekeeper of the group. Like all his family members, he has impressive musical skills, which he puts to use as a DJ. Fresh appears to be obsessed with the 80s and is rarely seen without his custom boombox. By all accounts, he is also extremely fastidious and has a weakness for brand new sneakers. While Fresh offers no threat nor any connection to the Infinity technology, his tight-knit family could be leveraged in interesting ways. Assessment. Moderate interest. Monitor periodically. Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Guard. Ted Lutz, aka Guard, has worked for the Central Station for 23 years. Originally a security agent inside the station, Guard's overzealous nature got him demoted out to yard detail. Partnered with Dog, he spends most of his time chasing the Subway Surfers off station property, which puts him in close proximity to their technology, as well as other Infinity-related phenomenon. Assessment. High interest. Monitor closely. Accessing dossier. Decrypting file. Jake. Jacob Bressler, aka Jake, is the leader of a skateboarding group who call themselves Subway Surfers. He fancies himself a street artist who goes by the name Jays. School records show Jake is an average student with above-average intelligence. He has a voracious appetite for food, apparently all kinds, and risk-taking, which may explain his numerous trespassing violations in the subway station yard. Jake's vast knowledge of the city and lack of respect for authority make him dangerous. Assessment. High interest. Monitor closely. Accessing dossier. Fresh. Decrypting file. End of dossier. Connecting to further content.